In today's intense footage, a simple traffic stop turns into a violent struggle that could have ended much worse.
Put your hands behind your back! Hands behind your back! Hands behind your back! I'm gonna test you again!
Listen to me.
139.
Who are you?
I'm out with Faruqi.
Despite repeated warnings, he continues to fight back, shouting and refusing to stay on the ground.
His residence. Stop!
Listen to me!
Stop!
Listen to me!
Get on the ground!
No!
Get on the ground!
No!
Get on the ground!
No! Get away!
He's fighting.
Get away from me!
You just got more charges.
The man ignores commands and begins resisting arrest.
Get away from me! I'm gonna kick your ass.
He's fighting. He's fighting.
Get away!
He's fighting.
Get away from me!
Don't do anything stupid. I will shoot you.
Shoot me!
I will shoot you.
Shoot me!
I will shoot you. I will shoot you.
I don't care.
Tensions rise as the suspect becomes more aggressive, yelling for officers to back off.
Don't stop. Stop. Stop.
No! No!
He's fighting. Front door. Stop. Stop.
No! No!
By the front door. Yes. Continue to fight it. Stop.
Get away from me!
I'm not. Dude, you're going to jail. You're going to jail. More people are coming. You're going to jail. Don't fucking bite me. Don't fucking bite me. Don't fucking bite me, I said. Stop. Stop resisting. Stop.
Even after being tased, the suspect continues to struggle, refusing to surrender.
Don't fucking bite me. Stop. Stop. Stop it. Fucking stop.
I gotta grab it.
I gotta go too. I gotta go too. You wanna go for it?
Ah!
Fighting. I will f***ing shoot you, Faruqi. He's trying to go for my gun.
Backup units rush to the scene as officers shout commands. Eventually, the man is taken down, still trying to fight back despite being surrounded.
Here you go. Get some. Stop. 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 No, stop. Stop.
Where's the front door?
Left door, in the front door.
Look out, get your hand!
Give us your hand.
Sit down!
Give me your hand.
Officers manage to get him in handcuffs after a chaotic struggle lasting several minutes.
139, he's in custody. Everybody slow down. Send the EMS to check him out. Conscious breathing.
Restart medics. You good?
I'm good.
139, I copy. Subject in custody. Having you guys can take a slow down. Truck, I'm going through truck again.
Check on him. He was tased ×3. He might have some scuffs. Conscious breathing.
Relax. Get on your side. Don't get up. Lay like that. Don't move.
Get up!
Don't move. Keep your feet down. Don't move. Don't move.
When I get up, I'll get up.
No, you're not getting up.
Why?
Stay there.
You just tried to go for my gun.
No, I wasn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
The f you want? I got you on camera. Yeah. You're f***ing dumb, buddy. Stay the f down.
Don't move.
Stay the f down.
Let me get down.
You are in no position to ask for anything. Alright? You f***ed up. It was a simple traffic violation.
Well, what do you want?
I don't give a f anymore. I'm done talking to you.
Let me get up.
No.
No.
Can I get away?
No. So I was driving by. He was outside with the
Stop, dude. Just
with the
Relax.
the
We're
guy,
having
the
an
worker.
ambulance check you out.
He saw the truck
Relax.
run in, so that's why I parked the f- over there, and then I walked
couldn't
back.
see you with all this stuff
I
here,
know.
so I'm like,
I know.
no, man, we're good. I'm glad you're okay.
Yeah, okay. You by yourself, huh?
I was just driving by.
I know.
I figured let's see what's up. You know.
Relax. Don't get up. Relax. Relax.
That was the longest. What? A minute and a half. Dude, I texted him three times.
Let me sit.
No, shut up.
Let me sit, please. Let me just sit. Let me just sit down.
You are sitting down.
No, I'm lying down. Can you sit? Let me sit me down. Just sit me down, please.
Relax.
I can't breathe. I swear I can't breathe, man.
They call for medical assistance to ensure he's not seriously injured.
He's coming to check you out, okay?
Please, let me sit up.
Just right here. You're not going anywhere. Right there.
If you try to get up,
Right
you're going
there.
back down.
Okay,
You stay right there.
Okay, do not try to stand up.
What's up?
What is this all about, man? What's this all about?
Come on.
You know what it's about.
I don't know what it's all about.
You
What's
know
it all
you
about?
have warrants.
For what?
You know you have warrants. Because I was in your garage the other day when you slammed the door on us.
What could have been a minor traffic citation has now turned into multiple felony charges.
Man,
You know that you do.
I don't know anything about it.
Okay.
It doesn't matter now. It's over with. So.
They're traffic warrants. Like, what the hell is wrong?
The officer reminds him of an earlier encounter where he ran from police before.
Drive.
You're a liar.
I don't drive.
Hey, bud. Can we check your vitals?
Yeah, bleeding from my feet.
You're bleeding from your feet, knees? Okay.
He was tased.
I think so. Just tase him, right? 3 times.
You have any drugs or alcohol today? Nope.
Sure looks like it. He must be on some shit.
He's just always this way.
As far as you guys can tell, he's clear to go? Good to go? Or?
Yeah, he's calling the hospital. We sent it to them too.
Oh.
Just make sure the doc says go.
So he just said he's going to call or he has to go?
He's already in the ambulance call.
Oh, okay,
Waiting for
gotcha.
the doc.
Okay, cool.
Medics arrive and begin checking his vitals. The suspect continues to act confused, asking why this is happening.
All right, we're going to stand up, okay? You try anything stupid, you'll land on your face. It's not going to be my fault. Stand up.
Can you give me my...
No.
Why? Why? Can you give me...
Walk.
You don't cooperate.
I do. Come on.
You do not cooperate.
Hey, leave those there, we'll grab them. Leave them there.
One officer recounts how the suspect tried to flee and resisted violently, nearly going for his weapon.
Sit back and let me
I'm good, bro. No, they got the taser, the cartridge. They're taking pictures. I'm gonna screen some good charges. Hopefully I get them. So I came by, saw the truck, this truck right here. I see him standing right by where the other officers are. He sees my car and he starts walking towards his house. Then I continue driving, parked down the street, and I walked along the houses till I made it to his garage. He's standing there, pop up. I said, "Don't run, you're gonna get tased." He goes, "No." He starts running, takes him once, falls to the ground, gets up, comes up. Yeah, if you don't mind, yeah. Yeah, so. And then he tried to go for my gun.
I was at 25 and 9.
He tried disarming Gustafson and stuff like that last time.
He went for my taser.
Did he?
Yeah, 100%. He went for my taser. Once we were on the ground, he tried to go for my gun.
I would say times 2 then.
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna screen all that.
Everyone agrees this could have been avoided if he had just complied.
Traffic warrant. I don't know what to tell you, man. Talk to your lawyer.
I don't know anything about this. I don't know why you came after me. I got scared. I gotta go.
Oh, okay. Listen, Faruqi, I'm gonna do you a favor. I'm not gonna talk to you, okay? Because you're under arrest, okay? So you better stop talking, man, for your own good.
You drive around here all the time?
Listen, man, stop playing dumb, okay? We're
I'm
done.
not playing
We're done talking, dude. We're done talking. I'm done talking to you.
The suspect tries to argue that he was scared and didn't mean to resist. Despite the situation, the officer handles it professionally, ensuring no further violence occurs.
How do you recognize me?
What do you mean? Because I arrested you before. You and I fought before.
You arrested me?
Yes. That night when we fought behind in your backyard at night. You got dropped off by the white truck, remember? Yeah, that was me. Nice to see you again. I already know you. What do you think?
I'm just going around picking random people to arrest? You did it to yourself, Faruqi. You're a grown man. You're an adult, okay? You're not a child. You're not a young guy that's, making mistakes because you don't have experience. Come on. You have life experience. You have common sense. You did it to yourself, brother. I didn't do anything. So listen, Faruqi. When we go in here, don't act a fool, okay? Stop fighting. Just behave, man, okay? Because you don't want any more charges, okay? It's done. It is what it is. Deal with the judge. Deal with it, okay?
As they transport him to jail, the suspect continues to complain about his injuries. The officer reassures him that medics already cleared him, but the man keeps trying to shift the blame.
Anything because he always... hold on. You got the seatbelt on. Hey, remember what I told you, okay? Just be cool. Don't fight anymore, okay? We're done, okay?
Why did you let me have my slippers, man?
What?
I got no slippers.
Oh, I got him right here. Hold on. I'll get him for you. I think I locked it, bro. Here. I got gloves. I'll touch him. You don't have to touch him with my bare hands.
I'll get thrown in the trash because they're Patriots ones.
Yeah.
Those Bears got creepy.
It's clear this isn't his first run-in with law enforcement.
Shirt back on.
Yep. All right. Come on. Take your time.
My head hurts.
I know, dude. I told you, you shouldn't have fought. The ambulance checked you out. They said you were okay. I'm gonna have him sit down because he got tased 3 times, and he's a little. He got checked out though and cleared by the ammo.
Can you put your handcuffs to the front?
They're about to come off in a second.
I'm gonna bring you up over here so I can search and I'll take them off you, okay?
Okay, just let me sit down. Let me sit down for a while.
Yeah, he took a bit.
Yeah. Okay.
My head hurts.
I understand.
My head hurts.
In the end, the man faces several serious charges, including attempting to disarm a police officer, aggravated resisting arrest, and assault on law enforcement. What started as a simple traffic stop turned into a fight that could have ended tragically.